Hey, what's up? I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Premiere Beta's speech-to-text transcription feature. It's a new service that you have to sign up for, but they're sending out invitations. I just got mine. So go ahead and open up your file and go to the sequence, then go to Window, Text, and then from here, click on Transcribe Sequence. Then select your audio track. I'm going to select audio 1 for my voice, and I'll do transcribe. So currently all you can do is burn in captions into the video in Premiere, but I'm going to show you how to export an SRT so you can upload it to YouTube. In the meantime, I'm going to go to YouTube and go to the video that I'm working with, and it's been uploaded for a while. I'm going to go to Edit Video, Subtitles. An automatic version will be published, so go ahead and do Duplicate and Edit, and then I'm going to copy this and put it inside of a text editor. The Adobe Speech-to-Text feature does a great job with capitalization and punctuation. YouTube does not, so usually I do it by hand, but here's how you can do it. I'm going to go ahead and just double-click inside of the transcript window and just copy over from Premiere Beta into my text file. I'm just searching for where it begins and ends. Fixing a couple obvious mistakes, and then fixing what I usually have to fix. And then after I'm finished copying and pasting, I'll go ahead and put it back into the big paragraph format that it was. And then I'm going to paste it back into YouTube, and I'll publish. And from here, you can export an SRT file. So it's still in its beginning stages, and they're going to add the feature later, but it's a pretty cool workaround, and there are some mistakes to fix, but doing all the punctuation by hand is pretty brutal. But anyway, if you have any questions, you can email me at hello@theproductivityshop.co or join the Productivity Shop Slack channel. Thanks for watching. See you later.